Samsung has officially confirmed its next Unpacked event, set for January 22nd, 2025, in San Jose, California. The spotlight is expected to shine on the highly anticipated Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, and Galaxy S25 Ultra. Exciting pre-reservation perks. Pre-reservations for the Galaxy S25 series are now open, offering fantastic incentives for early customers, including $50 credit. Use this towards your device during pre-orders after the launch. Up to $900 trade-in credit, $300 instant credit, further reduce your upgrade price instantly. These perks add up to a potential $1,250 in savings, making the Galaxy S25 upgrade more affordable than ever. Early customers also get a chance to win a $5,000 Samsung.com gift card, making pre-reservation even more enticing. How to reserve. Reserving your Galaxy S25 is completely free. Simply visit Samsung's online store, enter your email, and secure your spot. Samsung has officially dropped the teaser for the Galaxy S25 Ultra's Unpacked event, and there's a lot to be excited about. Here's everything you need to know. The teaser includes 2 clips highlighting Galaxy AI promoted as your true AI companion. Save the date, January 22nd is the big day. Let's dive in.
Hey, when is the Samsung Galaxy Unpacked? Can you put it on my calendar?
Watching today. Something that makes us laugh, makes us cry, shows us new worlds, teaches us new things? Or is it something that we've never watched before? Now TV gets to know you, who you are, what you love, so you can explore so much more. Understand things in new ways. Let your imagination go wild. Made just for you, and you, and you. This isn't just a new television, it's a whole new vision. Because the TV of tomorrow isn't about what's on. It's about who's watching.
Now, a new image shared by renowned industry tipsters Ice Universe and EvLeaks offers yet another glimpse of the phone. The latest image showcases the device itself, highlighting the most significant design change in the S25 Ultra: rounded edges. For the past few years, Samsung's Galaxy Ultra series has featured sharp edges, a design choice that has given these phones a striking and distinctive appearance. They're easily recognizable, no matter the angle. However, while this design has been celebrated by many, some users have expressed concerns about the ergonomics. It seems Samsung has taken this feedback to heart, opting for a return to rounded edges. Fortunately, the rounded design doesn't make the S25 Ultra resemble an iPhone 16. It retains its signature brick-like shape, balancing comfort and aesthetic appeal. Another noticeable improvement is in the bezels, making the overall design even more refined. At its upcoming Unpacked event in January, Samsung is anticipated to unveil not 3 but 4 Galaxy S25 models. The 4th edition, the Galaxy S25 Slim, was recently teased in a leaked promotional material. The Galaxy S25 Slim has been the subject of a few rumors suggesting it may launch later in the year compared to the other 3 S25 devices. A recent report, supported by details from Samsung's latest One UI 7 beta, reinforces this speculation. The beta includes a list of US carrier-specific Samsung phone models, but notably, the Galaxy S25 Slim's model number is absent. Earlier reports hinted at a Q2 release window, April to June, for the S25 Slim, aligning with the information uncovered in the One UI 7 beta. Rumored specifications for the Galaxy S25 Slim include a 6.66-inch display, a 200-megapixel main camera, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 50-megapixel telephoto camera offering 3.5x optical zoom. It is also expected to feature the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset and a battery capacity ranging from 4,700 mAh to 5,000 mAh. The year 2025 begins with a treat for Samsung enthusiasts as renders of the highly anticipated Galaxy S25 Ultra have emerged. With Samsung expected to officially unveil its latest flagship later this month, fans are buzzing with excitement, even though no official material leaks are anticipated this year. Renowned concept designer Technizo Concept has unveiled a fresh set of Galaxy S25 Ultra renders, inspired by CAD designs shared by OnLeaks a few weeks ago. These renders highlight the device's potential color options, offering a glimpse into its possible aesthetics. One of the most notable updates is the Galaxy S25 Ultra's redesigned frame. Taking cues from the flat frame design popularized by iPhones, the new frame exudes a sleek and modern feel. Slightly rounded corners enhance comfort, making the device easy to hold even during prolonged use. The rear panel also features significant changes, particularly in the camera setup. Samsung is introducing thicker black camera rims, drawing inspiration from the design language of the Z Fold 6. While not an exact replica, these bold rims bring a fresh and distinctive look to the Galaxy S25 series. Fans are eagerly awaiting the official unveiling to see how these design elements come to life in Samsung's newest flagship. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra continues to impress with its performance scores. The latest Geekbench results spotlight the S9380 model, designated for the Chinese market, which features the same Snapdragon 8 Elite overclocked variant chipset as the US version. In the latest test, the Galaxy S25 Ultra achieved 3,049 points in single-core and 9,793 points in multi-core performance on Geekbench, paired with 12 GB of RAM in its base configuration. While these scores highlight its impressive power, they suggest that optimization is still ongoing. Notably, a test 2 months ago revealed a multi-core score exceeding 10,000, setting a high bar for performance. Rumors have been circulating about Samsung equipping the entire Galaxy S25 lineup with the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset globally. However, we've approached these claims cautiously, tempering expectations to avoid disappointment. Now there's reason to be optimistic. Fresh evidence has surfaced to support these rumors. The international variant of the base Galaxy S25 model, powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, has appeared on the Geekbench benchmark database, as reported by Tarun Vats. This marks the first instance of the international Galaxy S25 model showing up on Geekbench. Previously, only the Korean and US variants had been spotted. Interestingly, a few weeks ago, the international Galaxy S25 Plus variant was listed on Geekbench featuring the Exynos 2500 chip, so it's too early to consider anything fully confirmed. Additionally, the benchmark data reveals that the tested Galaxy S25 device came with 12 GB of RAM. This aligns with rumors suggesting Samsung plans to make 12 GB of RAM standard across all 3 Galaxy S25 models. Your phone could save your life, but will it? The Galaxy S25 series brings a groundbreaking car crash detection sensor, a feature that could redefine smartphone safety. Hidden within leaked Galaxy S25 files, this advanced technology mirrors the sensors found in the Galaxy S24, Galaxy Z Fold 6, and Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition. But there's a twist. Samsung hasn't confirmed if it's fully enabled. While Android's car crash detection feature, powered by motion sensors and AI, has been a game changer since its debut with Google's Pixel 8 in 2023, the Galaxy S24 and Z Fold 6, despite housing the same sensor, lack active support. Apple already offers a similar feature on iPhone 14 and newer models. Will Samsung follow suit or leave users waiting? The highly awaited Galaxy S25 Ultra is set to launch next month, and fans are buzzing as leaks reveal exciting upgrades in screen quality and durability. The Galaxy S25 Ultra's 6.9-inch QHD Plus screen is a standout feature of Samsung's Ultra series. Reports from Android Authority suggest the phone could hit a peak brightness of an incredible 3,000 nits. This means the screen will be super clear, even in bright sunlight, making outdoor use easier than ever before. That's it for today, folks. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.